provides products and community that you'll feel. The year was 1994, and Jack Fallon had a vision to help the world.
We started Total Life Changes to change lives around the world.
So in 1999, wait, we already said that. But it's true. And good vitamin packed with all that and a bag of chips. Well, not the chips, but you get the idea. We got busy, real busy. So busy, we set up our first warehouse, then another. Then our exceptional growth, we established TLC World Headquarters in Fairhaven, Michigan. So if you're ever in the area, stop in and say hi. Now we offer 38 products, taking thousands of orders daily.
Thank you for calling Total Life Changes.
And shipping to more than 150 countries across the globe. And what's even better, if you have a question about anything, customer service is open 24/7. Isn't that right, Lisa?
That's right.
TLC is driven by and known for our core values. Thanks, Johnny. It doesn't matter what lifestyle you have or diet you're on. TLC's products and community is for everyone. And now you know a little. Us online and join our community. We'd love to hear from you. And if you've been waiting your whole life to make a change, now's the time to make it here at TLC. Okay, now